When we trade stocks or cryptocurrencies, are we gambling? Some people say yes, that traders are gamblers, and others say no, they are not. It's easy for both sides to have bias in this argument. So, as someone who is both a trader but also willing to be open-minded, this is my answer. The answer is, it depends. Some people do in fact gamble when they trade. I will not deny that. However, there also seems to be an art or a science to purposefully mitigating risk for the probability of a return. Everything in life that has a reward or payment usually has a cost or risk. Even driving to work puts you at risk of a car wreck. Therefore, risk alone cannot be the determiner of if we are gambling or not. When Disney was about to report its earnings, if someone just arbitrarily thought it would run or crash afterwards, and so they bought a bunch of call options or puts, just hoping it would work out, that of course would be a gamble. But with AMD, when 10 of its last 11 earnings reports included a rally, if you were to buy it, especially if you set stop losses and it was perfectly fine for you to take a 10 or 20% loss, you would have made a bunch of money on it. And that seems more like taking advantage of a high probability than a risky gamble. There's also DraftKings. When it had its earnings, the calls and puts just happened to be so cheap, which was a nice find, that you would have made money buying both of them no matter what. Now, it's also worth noting that investing is different from, but similar to, trading. Investing is Finance 101. It's where you learn that beyond an emergency savings, a savings account is counterproductive because of the average yearly inflation rate eating away at your money. That's why you should have investments, 401ks, or IRAs. If you look at SPY, the market goes up pretty much every year on average, for decades now. Sure, there could be an apocalypse, but why plan on a what if things change when they never changed before? It's also fine if you diversify to grab some stocks like Beyond Meats that have crashed a lot, but are likely to recover a lot more as well.